So it's back to school, and it's not even September. I was really looking forward to today, and unfortunately, I didn't get an invitation. I think the letter is still in the mail. I was so looking forward to it because I had already thought of what to wear. But I can't be wearing any of those designs. I hope you're having a fun day with your friends, your fellow pupils, and with my colleagues, my fellow teachers. Have a fun and safe day, and I will hopefully see you sometime between now and the end of June. If not in school, then somehow during the holidays, maybe in town somewhere. Have a fun time and take care for now. See you soon. Bye.
Keep quiet, please. Quiet. Quiet, please. Silence.